Hello, this is Assistant Professor Mr. V.M. Jagtap, working as Assistant Professor at MEP's KNMS College, Satana. Today, I am going to deliver knowledge on the poultry management topic male reproductive system of chicken. Correct? So, let's see about the male reproductive system of chicken. Basically, male reproductive system of chicken. Avian reproductive system differs. Reproduction is organized into the distinct developmental and functional phases, and male it include fertilization and formation of the patent reproductive tract, production of the sperm, and manifestation of male-specific behavior patterns, and expulsion of the sperm from the body, and it consists of the testis, epididymis, ducts, either vas deferens, papillae, either pallus. Clear? That is the organs participate into the male reproductive system. First organ participant, that is the pair of testes. Second organ, that is the pair of epididymis. Second organ, that is the ducts, commonly known as the vas deferens. And third and last one, that is the papillae, either phallus. Clear? So let's see in detail about each and every organ. You can see that is the picture, either diagram of the male reproductive system of chicken, either cock. That is the balloon-like structure. That is the what testis. And just at the junction of this balloon, attach the comma-like structure. That is known as the what? That is known as the epididymis. Then from this epididymis, there is tube-like structures are arising and pass towards the cloaca. And this tube-like structure, that is known as what? Vas deferences. And this vas deferences are collectively opens at the one region, that is known as the phallus region. And this phallus are working as the rudimentary copulatory organ into the cock, either male chicken, and this phallus opens through the cloaca, either that is the vent. Correct? So that is the diagram of the male reproductive system. So let's see in detail from this one by one. There is what? uh, pair of testes, that is the right testis, and this is the left testis. And at this junction there is presence what? There is presence epididymis, vas deferens, and phallus, and that is the kidney. Just above the kidney there is presence what? Testis. Okay. So next one, about the testis. Two elliptical testes lie along the back near the anterior end of the kidney. Where is presence of the testes? Anterior end of the kidney. We have already seen into the previous slide. Yes or no? Yeah. So about the two elliptical testes presence at the anterior end of the kidney. Then weight at the birth is 2 to 4 gram, and at maturity 25 to 35 gram. Whenever chicks at the 1 day age, either 1 day old, the testes have in a gram how many gram of the weight? That is the 2 to 4 gram only. And whenever it completely matured, the testes attain the weight in a gram 25 to 35 gram. Then next one, left testis is heavier, 0.5 to 3 gram. Left testis is more functional, and it's comparatively more heavier as compared to right testis. Clear? Then next one is the mesochorion. Connect the testis with body wall. What is the mesochorion? This is the organ, either part, which connect the testis to the what? To the body wall. Then serves as a conduct for the blood vessels and nerves, and each testis is made up of two types of the parenchymal tissues, and intestinal and seminiferous epithelium. Testis is made up of how many types of tissues? First one is the parenchymal tissues, and that is the interstitial, and another one is the seminiferous epithelial. So first, about the interstitial tissues contain interstitial tissues basically consist Leydig cells, peritubular epithelial cells, nerves are there, and lymphatic vessels and blood vessels also present at the interstitial tissues. So about the next one, seminiferous epithelial tissues, and this seminiferous epithelial tissues consist of fibroblast. Clear? Then next one is the myoepithelial cells, another one connective tissues over the basal lamina, then Sertoli cells and developing germ cells stages are present within the seminiferous tubules. Clear? Main function of the Sertoli cells is it's provide nourishment to the developing spermatozoa within a testis. What is the main function of Sertoli cell? It's provide nourishment to the developing spermatozoa. Clear? And their size varies depending upon the age and reproductive stage. Clear? The size of the testes depend upon the varies size depend upon the what age of the bird, and another one is the reproductive stage. Understand? So that is the various size and shape of the testes. Clear? Now next one, a test is followed by the next organ that is known as the epididymis. About the epididymis, the series of duct opening into the different duct are referred as a epididymis, and it is present on the dorso-middle aspect of the kidney known as the hilus. Clear it? Epididymis consists of rete testis, connecting duct, and efferent duct and epididymal duct. Epididymis consists what? It consists four part. First one is the rete testis, second part connecting duct, efferent duct, and fourth one epididymal duct. About the rete testis, are lined by the simple cuboidal and simple squamous epithelial cells. Then next one is the efferent duct. Efferent duct have a pseudo stratified dominor ciliated and ciliated epithelium. Then next one, papillae. It's a fourth organ participate into the reproductive system of male chicken. The about the papillae, it's the difference ducts strain towards the cloaca and abruptly witness making a receptacle and bean-shaped structure, and it terminates into the cloacal undergrowth and on the dorsal wall the papilla copulatory organ and immediately below the opening of urethra. Where is open? It's below the urethra, and it's working as what? Copulatory organ, either mating organ. Clear it? Okay. Now next one, uh, accessory glands. There is some accessory glands also participate into the reproductive system. Accessory reproductive organ consists of the paracloacal vascular bodies, lymphatic folds, and dorsal proctodeal gland. This is the three types of glands are participate into the purpose of reproduction. So they are integral part of the cloaca. What is it? It's integral. Integral means its presence inside the what? Cloaca. Cloaca inside the cloaca. Then next one is paracloacal vascular body. Lies alongside the receptacles. Lymphatic folds are present in a proctodeum wall. A non-intermitted phallus used for the sex identification for the tumescence and lymphatic folds that is seen even the immediately after the ejaculation. Then and the lymph is formed inside the vascular body by the ultrafiltration of the blood. Clear? That is the function of accessory gland. Then mating, either artificial insemination, I will explain into the next video. So the very simple male reproductive system, it's basically consists first organ that is the testis, second organ that is the epididymis, third organ that is the papillae, and last one that is known as the cloaca. Clear? Sorry, from the first one is the testis, second one is the epididymis, third one is the vas deferens, fourth one is the papillae, and lastly that is known as the cloaca. Cloaca is not actual part of the reproductive system. It's working only the for the mating purposes. Understand? There is presence what? Presence of the phallus, and this phallus working as what? Working as a mating organ. Clear it? Okay, thank you.